Creating some distance from the traditional digital forms of money, UNISWAP works on a decentralized peer-to-peer trade mechanized market producer, AMM, to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Likewise, it works on customary trades. Before we dive into the UNISWAP cost forecast, let us view a portion of the one-of-a-kind highlights of UNISWAP. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two savvy agreements to procure interest, UNISWAP has an exceptional component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This element of UNISWAP goes about as a significant impetus in completely eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, taking out the go-betweens or consent totally. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Thus the liquidity gets represented for these parts in like manner. As a decentralized convention for robotized liquidity arrangement on ETH, UNISWAP shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic UNISWAP chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that multitude of holding UNISWAP as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, an influx of Stage's administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point UNISWAP cost forecast. Nonetheless, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting methodologies or any elective ebb and flow venture choice. On the off chance that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for UNI tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an immense scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stock might descend. UNISWAP change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. At last beam of trust. There is potential for combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for UNISWAP and show it might go on a higher feeling. As per UNISWAP figure, the cost might reach $0.793 toward the finish of December 2022 for the time being. UNISWAP has accomplished one of the best 10 situations in cryptographic forms of money this year, and as per UNISWAP cost expectations, the exhibition may be completely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per UNISWAP cost expectation, UNISWAP, UNI, could fill triple in 6 years, say by 2026. In the following 5 years, it ought to have a reasonable convention around $30 to $40. As per UNI cost expectation, UNISWAP, UNI, appears to show a bullish pattern, which demonstrates a positive sign to a financial backer for getting a gigantic return from UNISWAP. As indicated by UNISWAP value forecast and specialized examination, it appears UNISWAP is serendipitous. It at present exchanges at just multiple times more than beginning in 2022. So this pattern proceeds with will be seen till December 2022, and the cost might go up to $9.381. The main alleviation factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary standards. The majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet capturing the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into UNISWAP, UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market coaches infer the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost diagram is referenced here alongside the UNISWAP expectation. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt an idealism in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in light of UNISWAP cost estimate. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have gigantic contrast. UNISWAP price prediction 2022. Having begun late in last year, the UNISWAP value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022. Will keep riding news waves going ahead into 2023. some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023. The value developments of UNI/USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as indicated by UNI cost expectation 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. UNISWAP price prediction 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17. As per UNISWAP cost expectation 2023, the cost of UNISWAP might show some opposition, yet it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would stamp the brilliant time for this digital currency UNI. There could be a few massive changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. UNI, notwithstanding, is known to be strong and predictable. Both worldwide financial matters may too affect UNISWAP cost development. As indicated by UNISWAP forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. UNISWAP price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost forecast, that value revision may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the UNISWAP UNI cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the principle, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $18.50. District explicit changes also influence the cost of UNISWAP. Consequently, coming towards its advanced objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having changed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving a noteworthy impression on this environment. UNISWAP price prediction 2025. According to UNISWAP price prediction and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of UNISWAP in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the positively trending market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. UNISWAP appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position, showing strength. As per UNISWAP expectation, in the principal half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. UNISWAP price prediction 2026. As indicated by UNI cost expectation, as this year has gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of UNISWAP to go on towards a base value level of $25.